My fire truck is now safe at home, back from the port of Newark. Now I'm looking at the truck and things I need to start doing. Right here on the door, you're going to see this weird like pink rectangle. I don't know what this is. It just looks like a decal that's kind of on there, but I'm not exactly sure. I'm trying to see if it's like an old decal I can try to peel off, just like a clear one. I don't know why it would be like this. I've been told that they do this in Japan to cover up the old lettering on the door. What's weird to me is this clearly looks like a clear decal with nothing, because you can see like dirty water stains that are stuck behind it and touch-up paint. Upon further inspection, this is actually not a decal or a vinyl or anything. This is actually just the leftover of whatever decal they had here before, like the sticky part that was peeled off. So only the top layer of the decal came off, and this is the sticky part. So I call up my detailer Jeremy over at High Tech Detailing Services over in Weymouth, Massachusetts, and I show up at a shop and bother him. Hello, hello. Am I coming in? I'm coming in here, I guess. All right. I scared the shit out of you? Yeah. You invited me. What's that?
This is what comes up here.
Yeah, like, see how your cloth is turning red?
Yeah.
That concerned me a little bit, so I stopped.
Yeah, it is. It's kind of yellow. It is, but it's old though. The red is already fading on it a little bit.
Oh, of course, it's a little bit faded.
Even if I polish it, the red is going to come off. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I just want that pink stuff off. It's okay if it's faded a little bit, because I'm putting a decal back over it.
Here's what you're going to do here. So I can get to the house with you also. You're going to sit here.
Squirt this stuff on and just...
And just sit on it for a second. Just keep going by it, okay?
Okay. What are we using? What is this stuff called?
Xylene.
Xylon? How do I know when it's soaked in?
Just put it on. Just wipe it off. You don't have to just put it on, rub it in a little bit. Yeah.
Just a little bit? All right. All right, I did that whole thing. You did this side too?
A little bit. You can do it a little better, probably. Probably help with that.
All right. Xylene.
Yeah, that's why I'm going to do it again.
All right, got more in. I left a weird mark on the paint on this side. Oh, I'm just looking around.
You gotta put more in. You gotta put more in.
I can put more?
Yeah,
Okay.
let it sit a little bit. That's why I gotta put more.
All right. I can see it like melting it.
So you gotta put on enough so it'll so just line it off. See it?
Yep. So you're more familiar with paint to be willing to use even a plastic razor blade across it.
Well, yeah, because I'm gonna polish it right after you anyways.
I'm just like, I'm gonna fuck it up, so I'm not gonna do it. Bleeding the pink stuff. Some juice?
Get some of that juice.
Some of that juice right here, yeah.
That's that juice.
Man, you gotta be careful, man. That's what happens when you get desperate for juice. You get hurt. Oh yeah, look at that. Just comes off. Yeah, I'm not going crazy. It's just I'm scraping the top surface.
I'm not going to get that off. You know that.
Yeah. All right, I need more juices. This stuff's like magic. Screw Gugan.
Yeah, Gugan is actually good, but it's not as good.
I mean, Gugan's probably good at like this, but like when it was the full sheet that you had to melt, it wasn't any good. I wanna read the letters. I'm deaf, man. I'm deaf, man. All right, hold on. I'm gonna get a good picture of this so I can try to read. You can clearly make out most of the words and stuff on this, except for like the last character or something like that, because it looks like there were 2 sets of decals that were ever put on this truck. That side looks pretty good. This side's even better.
You hit it again now? Did you hit the corner over here somewhere?
Oh, I'm out of juice.
Yeah, okay.
I got some new swag he was handing out. Thanks again, Jeremy. Now this is all done, time to go home. I need to figure out what I want to do with the door decals. Shout out to Jeremy again at High Tech Detailing in Weymouth, Massachusetts. He does great work and can do almost anything related to making your vehicle look good. His shop is in the back here on the main road, right over the Four River Bridge. Right when you cross over from Quincy, enter Weymouth. I can show you how to get here when you're outside. It's just kind of coming up his driveway here and just looking left and right on the main road. Right underneath the Weymouth bottle and can return. You can see here Jeremy did a very good job. This is all gone, or almost all gone, but you can't really see unless you know you're looking at it. This side, depending on the angle, you can see it just because of the reflections and stuff. It's so shiny now. So I'm still trying to figure out what the last character is. I had a pretty interesting time trying to redraw this on a markup on my phone, but since this side is not readable, I'm gonna install the new decal here. I opted to go with this Hitachi City Fire Department or Fire Brigade. I'm not sure about the first division thing. I'm not sure if I want to do that. I'll put it on, I guess. I mean, if I don't like it, I'll just take it off, right? I learned my lesson from the other side freehanding it. This time I needed to make sure that it matched the other side, so I pre-measured and taped it up this time. I also cut down the entire decal smaller so I had as little excess masking sheet as possible. not sure what happened to my videos here. I lost all my peeling videos, so this is the only peeling video you'll get. I'm sorry. I spent a bunch of time scoping out what these look like in Japan and how different departments apply these decals to their trucks. I ended up deciding on this style before I saw the imprints of the old decals on my paint. This is the final product I will run for now, and as I said before, if I change my mind, I can always take them off and do new ones. Thanks for watching, guys. Give my video a like, stay tuned for more fire truck videos, subscribe to see more upcoming videos on the stuff I do around here, and I'll be posting more next time.